covalent bonds. Co means together and valent means valence electrons. The covalent bond is a bond that involves the sharing of electron pairs between atoms. Electrons are particles that come out in an atom and they are negatively charged. Each group of elements in the periodic table have a different amount of valence electrons, and the number of electrons that an element has will determine the number of bonds it will be able to form. And valence electrons are the electrons in the outermost layer of an element. What's it called? Each covalent bonds are gases, liquids, or solids, and are made of molecules. Covalent bonds are formed because the elements want to gain stability, and they gain stability by filling the electron shell that they have. And all covalent bonds are poor conductors of electricity. As you can see, an example would be hydrogen. They share a bond with each other, so that's one, and this one will share the other one, and now they're both perfectly fine. And their electron shell is full.